Hi Tigers, it's Mrs. McCarver and it's time for today's math lesson. This week we've been learning about positional words, or words that we can use to describe the location of an object. Today we're going to practice our positional words using our whiteboard and a marker. If you don't have a whiteboard and a marker, you can use a piece of paper and a pencil or crayon. Pause the video to get these things, and when you're done, come back and push play. Now that you have your materials, let's get started. We're going to draw a picture together, and I am going to give you some clues using positional words. Once I give you the clue, you're going to draw it on your board or paper. Then we'll see if our pictures look the same at the end. First, let's draw a circle in the middle of our board. There's a circle in the middle. Now, can you draw a square above the circle? Think about the word above. What does that mean? Draw a square above the circle. Here's my circle in the middle. The square is above it. Can you draw a triangle next to the square? Draw a triangle next to the square. You have two choices. You can draw it on this side or this side because next to means beside. Here's my circle in the middle. My square is above the circle, and my triangle is next to the square. Now, can you draw another circle under the first circle? Draw a circle under the first circle. Here's my first circle. Here's another circle under it. Can you put a dot on the square? Put a dot on the square. You know what? Take that dot off the square if you're using your whiteboard. We put it on, now we took it off. Let's put the dot on the triangle this time. So we started with a circle in the middle. We drew a square above it. We drew a triangle beside the square. Then we drew another circle under the first circle. We put a dot on the square. Then we took the dot off the square. Now we put the dot on the triangle. Let's see. Can you put an X between the two circles? Can you put an X between the two circles? Between is in the middle of. Very good. Does your picture look like mine? We use the positional words we've learned this week to draw this picture together. You can erase your board or get out a new piece of paper, and when you go to the next slide in Canvas, I'll give you more directions to draw another picture that you can share with your teacher.